Welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Time for a little grammar revision. Have a look at this sentence. What are the missing words? Are you looking forward on holiday? Are you looking forward on holiday? 4 choices. You have go, to go, to going, that you go. Which one fits the sentence? Are you looking forward on holiday? And the missing word or words are to going. Are you looking forward to going on holiday? Why? You always look forward to something. So the first choice, there is no to, it doesn't fit. Possibly the second or the third. To is a preposition. You look forward to something. To is a preposition. So after a preposition, it's always ing. Therefore, the answer can only be, are you looking forward to going on holiday? English grammar? Uncle Geoff's here to help. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hope so. Bye for now.